In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can send an e-transfer to the United States. So to get started, hit the link in the description below. It will take you to RemitBee's website. When you're on the site, select sign up, right? Complete your email address and the password and select sign up. However, I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in and show you the steps. So once you're in, you're going to select send money, select add recipient, right? Select the country, which is the United States, select continue. How will your recipient receive their money? Bank deposit, select continue. That's the only option. Here you're going to complete the recipient's name and then select continue. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to step back and selecting my existing recipient which is on file. So let me step back. So I'm selecting my account, which is myself. Here, specify the amount that you want to send. So here I'm just going to select continue, select your purpose of transfer and select continue. Now here's where you're going to select your payment method as eTransfer and select next. This is the instructions, right? So log into your bank and select send new interact transfer using this as the recipient information. In the message section, when you're adding the recipient, ensure you add your email address, which is right here. So that is the email address that you sign up with RemitBee with. Then select continue. Scroll down and select confirm and send. So I'm almost done. Now I need to go to my bank and initiate the e-transfer. So once you send the e-transfer, this balance here will be 0. So if you send more than $12.99, then the balance will be on your account. And within 3 business days, the money will be deposited to your account. So as you can see here, I've done this several times. So I've just initiated the e-transfer. So within a few minutes or hours after you do the transfer, the status here will change, right? And your account balance will be zeroed out, right? So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.